Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I want to walk you through how to switch Instagram business account to creator account. First thing you need to do from the home is click on your profile icon at the bottom right, then click on the three dots at the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. Next, you scroll down until you see your business tools and code controls over here. Tap on it and then scroll down until you see switch account type. Tap on it and you can see switch to creator account, so tap on it. So once you create this creator account, which is the best actually for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers, if you do want to do that, you click on switch. Give it a few seconds and that's it, you're a creator now. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.